Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you a few products that I have been loving, that I've been using lately. Some are old and some are new. So if you would love to see the products that I have been loving, just keep watching. Okay, so the first products that I want to start out with are going to be foundations. 3 options. So this is a new foundation that just came out by KDB Cosmetics. It actually helps your skin, so it helps moisturize and repair it and stuff like that. This product right here is going to help your skin. So this new KDB foundation, you can see it right here, but it's just a really soft, silky kind of foundation. It's very smooth. It's going to give you like a gorgeous kind of airbrush glow, but it evens out your skin tone. It's gonna help, you know, correct redness. It's gonna help moisturize your skin. It's kind of like a foundation and moisturizer kind of benefit all in one. So I have actually been using this foundation for probably about 2-3 weeks now, and I absolutely love it. She just launched it, and it's just a really good foundation. And all these products I'm gonna have linked below for you, that way you can go look at them yourself. Okay, so the next, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me use this product. I post it quite a few times. Okay, so this is the L'Oreal, the Glotion. I feel like you can't see it, but anyways, so this is a so it's a pretty much like a tinted light foundation moisturizer type deal, I guess, but it has like a glow to it. So it's gonna give you that really pretty like beach babe glow, which I absolutely love. It's one of my favorite looks. And so what I do is I will use, like, if I'm not gonna do a lot of makeup that day, or if I have a good tan going, then I'm gonna use this and then just dot concealer here and there wherever I need it. Or you can take this and you can mix it into your foundation just to kind of give you more of that pretty glow. It is about, I think, $14–15, so it's definitely not a product that you want to use a whole bunch of, like, all the time. I feel like it's something you want to just slightly wear down a day you're not wearing a lot of makeup, or just take a tiny bit and add it to your foundation. But I absolutely love this product. I need to get more because I'm almost out, but it actually has lasted me a really long time by using it that way. So this is definitely a must. It's a drugstore, so you can go get it. So next up is going to be this stick foundation. I actually have people inboxing me lately about stick foundations, and this one's one of my favorites. It's by KDB Cosmetics, which, disclaimer, I love KDB Cosmetics. I'm not sponsored by her, you know, she doesn't pay me to talk to you about it, but I just have always loved her products. I've used them since, like, I don't know, 2007? Yeah, so I've used them for a really long time. But this stick foundation I really like because I can put this on days that I'm not wearing a lot of makeup and just kind of fill in any redness and under my eyes and stuff like that. And it really does the trick. And it's creamy and it's smooth. It's not heavy, but it's going to give you a really good coverage. And it's just kind of, it almost does like a powder finish, so it's just really light and pretty, which is like one of my favorite products. And everyone asks me all the time which products I use, and normally I'm like a MAC girl. I have tons of like MAC lipsticks, but the NYX products are second best, and they're really affordable, which is really helpful, especially when you have 500 kids like I do. Okay, so this lip liner is called Natural. So it's number 810, and so I use this lip liner, or I have been lately, and then I take either one of these lipsticks. So this one's more of a nude, and it's called Snow Cap, and then this one is called Candy Buttons, and I believe they are both, yeah, they're both the butter lipsticks. So, like I said, this one is the nude, and it's called Snow Cap. I'm just gonna kind of, I don't know if you can see it, but anyways, it's what I have on right now, and it's really pretty. And then this one is more like a peachy color. And what was it called? Candy Buttons. It's like I haven't done these tutorials in a long time. It's hard to put placement. Okay, and that one, so you can see that one's more like a pinky peachy color, opposed to this one being like more nude. So here we go. So you can see them. But anyways, they're really, really affordable and they're really good lipsticks and I really, really like them. So these are the colors that I've been using lately. I have a ton of these though because I think like a year and a half ago I just went and I stocked up on all kinds of these because the glosses I started out with and I was so addicted to those. I have them all in there too. They're just really yummy and they're pretty and they're cheap. Okay, so this product I got a long time ago. I feel like it was like in a Birchbox or something like that, but it's called the Eyebrow Gel. It's water resistant, it's clear, and it's by Tanya Crooks. So I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but it looks like this. I might have talked about it before in one of my like older videos, but I love this during the summertime because even if you have like waterproof eye product on or whatever, it's still nice to like seal your product in. So this is also good if you like to use powder on your eyebrows. You can put this over. It's gonna like lay it down, lace the hairs down so they're not like all crazy. But it really helps, like, you know, when you go swim and stuff like that, your eyebrows aren't gonna like run down your face like your mascara could. So, but I really, really like this product. It kind of gives like a stiff kind of texture to your brows, but that's because it's laying down the hair and it's locking in whatever color and product you have on there. So but this is like my go-to for my brows. Like I love this stuff and I'm always putting it over, no matter if I'm using pencil, cream, or powder. I'm still gonna put this over it just to lock it in. Next up, my favorite blush. It's the one I'm wearing today. Hopefully you can see it. But it is the Nars and it's called Orgasm. So appropriate. But anyways, I'm gonna just try and lightly put a little bit. But it's just like a pinky kind of peachy coral color. And I've always loved this powder. I think it's, or blush, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It goes with everything. I feel like I can wear it all seasons because it just gives such a, oh no, this isn't Orgasm, this is Deep Throat. Even better. So yeah, but anyways, I love this product, and if you use Nars blushes, you know how awesome they are and how good they stay on. The pigment's awesome. So definitely one of my favorite. Two contour palettes. There's like, what, 5 million now, because there's all these different colors that come with it, and it can be really, really, really confusing if you aren't someone who's really into makeup, or like if you're just learning how to contour and just getting into makeup. It's going to be really confusing if you have a palette that has 6 or 7 different colors of brown and you have to figure out how to use it, right? So Smashbox has always had my favorite contour palette. Like, out of all the ones I have, which the Kat Von D is like really one of my favorites. I love that one too. And the It Come, okay, so I love a lot of them. But for being like a simple, if you're learning how to do it, then this Smashbox one is a must. So it comes with 3 different colors, and this one you can actually, so this is for highlighting, but I like to actually use this one underneath my eyes just to brighten it. And then it has 2 shades. So there's like this kind of medium bronzer, and then there's a deeper bronzer. So it says that like the deeper bronzers for the deeper colors for contouring, and then bronzing and then highlighting. But what I like to do is just take the bronzer and highlight, or I like to take the bronzer and I like to contour with that. And then I will go in with a smaller brush and I'll dip it into the darker powder and then kind of chisel out like little areas like in my cheek or under my lips, stuff like that, to where it's not going to be like so bold and dramatic, but it slims your face and it gives like a pretty contour without being too much, if that makes sense. So, and then of course the highlight is going to be for, this isn't going to be your shimmer highlight. This is just matte highlight, which is good for like underneath the eyes or like the middle of your forehead. You know, those places that you're going to put concealer to brighten up your face, but you don't want to put a shiny highlighter on those areas. You want to use something like this, which is like a matte, usually yellowish kind of powder to like brighten those areas. I do actually, I think, have a video over, I think I'm using the IT Cosmetics contour kit, but I do have a video that I can link below to show you how to contour. It's step by step, brushes I use, and it works really good. Last product I have is this NYX Dewy Finish. So I've never been huge on setting sprays. I will definitely say that. Like, I see people use them all the time, and I'm just like, I don't know. Like, I'm not, you know, I don't know if I really like them, if they really work. Like, what's the deal? I love them. Now I love them. And the reason I love them is because I learned that because I set my face with powder so much, it's good to have one of these because I'm not going to look so powdery. It helps give a really dewy, pretty glow, but it also sets my makeup. So this one is the one by NYX, and it's called Dewy Finish. And what I do is after I'm, you know, done with my makeup, then I'll go ahead and I'll spray it all over. And then sometimes I'll take my highlighting brush, like shimmer highlight, and I'll rub it in there, and then I'll kind of press it onto my cheeks, and that's going to help that highlighter pop even more because there's a little bit of a dewy finish onto my face. So it's going to kind of pick up that highlight without being too much, but it still gives like a really pretty glow. Like if you were to turn your face up like that, you see it? So it's just like that. But this stuff is not expensive, so definitely go get one if you don't have one, especially for summer. Buy one to keep in your purse. That way when you're at work or out and about, if you need to touch your face up with powder, do that, and then do this spray all over it. Or if you're feeling really dry, if you have dry skin, this is such a like good feeling to spray on your face, and it just soaks in and it helps your skin just feel so much better. I know after having Mila, I have like really dry skin now. Like I have like my first wrinkle in my forehead. It's like all hitting me. Those are the little things, you know, womp womp. But really, this stuff is really good, and I like to really set my face with powder so that my makeup does not move throughout the day. So having something like this to spray over it just really, really helps. So go get you one if you don't own one. Okay, and so while I'm telling you about products I love, I figured I would throw in a really quick review of the company Shein. I've gotten a few products from there, and I actually really, really like it. But I see on Facebook all the time how girls are wondering like what the product's like, if it's worth it, because the products are so cheaply priced, because the products are so like cheap that they want to know, you know, is it really good, or is it gonna fall apart like in a day? But this is one of the products that I got from there. It's just a really cute top. I actually posted a picture on my Instagram I think a couple of weeks ago maybe, and I also have a picture of the dress that I ordered from there, and I wore it while I was getting my makeup and stuff done for my wedding. So give me a second and I'll show it to you. Okay, so this is the dress that I got from them, and the material is really, really good. It's such a pretty, fun, like summer type dress. I absolutely love it. I did get it in a small, and I probably should have done a medium just because at the chest it's pretty tight. But everywhere else, like, it fits really good. So I just kind of do like a bralette with this, and that way they're nice and secure in there, but you know, I'm not falling out. So anyways, but I absolutely love this dress, and a picture of this is also on my Instagram, and it's just light and flowy and pretty and not expensive whatsoever. So I'm going to be sure to link that product for you down below too, so you can check it out. Check out that site because I've ordered so many clothes from there that are really good, especially like when winter time comes. Their jackets, I got a really long pink like trench coat, but it's like heavy, and it's one of my favorites to wear. It's such a pretty color. The price was amazing. So if you're wondering if it's good or not, it is. I think, I mean, it's kind of like Forever 21, I feel like. You know, kind of like that kind of thing. Alright guys, well there you go. Those are a few products I am loving. Now I am actually filming my makeup video next week. I have a babysitter coming so I can get that done. But I'm going to be using a lot of these products, probably all of them that I just showed you. So I will leave all the links below for you. So if you want to go purchase them or just check them out, those are the products that I will be using next week in my makeup tutorial. I know you guys are probably so excited. I haven't done one in a really long time. So I'm just going to give you pretty much this look right here and you know, do step by step and teach you guys like I love to do, and hopefully it helps you guys out. And yeah. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.